Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Yes, the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday 2021, January the 20th. Yes, Wednesday, January the 20th. Wow, time is going fast. 20 days already in 2021. Yes. Alright, the second Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku, and I have already counted printed numbers 25, but this will be number 2195. Alright, so let's get started. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7 and the 9. We see here the 7 and the 9 in this big square, so no 7 and the 9 in these two boxes. The 7 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 8, 3. Alright. 3, 5, 4. Alright. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this big square, so no 3 and a 6 in those two boxes. The 3 and the 6 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. So the other two missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 1 should be there. Let me see. 2, 4, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. Let me mark those two numbers, 3 and 9. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. And now, let me think. Three, 8, 9, 6. 8, 9, 6, 3, 6. This will be 3, 6. Okay. They 5. I need pairs. I need pairs. Yeah, I need really pairs. 1 7 1 7. Let me think. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 3 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see there 2. No 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Same like here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. Only 3 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see there 2. No 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Huh? 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay, 1. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. Well, actually 5, but one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of these 2 boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. Now, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in that box. Here also 5, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, a 5 in that row, so the row between. The only 3 boxes left for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Alright, 1 and 5. So these 2 boxes, one of the missing number here should be a 9. So the 9 could be here or could be there. Alright. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We see there 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9, 3, 6, 6, 3. One in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 1. Could be here, could be there. One. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 6, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places for the 6 could be here, could be there. 6, 6. 2. How about the 7? In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes here. One number left in this big square for the number 8. Alright, now we have an 8 there, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 3. One box left in this column for the number 3. I have a 9 here, so those 2 boxes I've marked with the 9. This box cannot be a 9 anymore, so one box left for the 9 should be there. So the 3 and the 6 are left. 3 and the 6, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One box left in the last row for the number 3. One box left in this row for the number 6. 2, 7, and 4 are missing here. 2 numbers left in the last column, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and the 5. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 3. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the first row, the 6 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now we have an 8 here. So this can't be 8 anymore. I have marked those 2 boxes with 8. So this should be the 8. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 7. No, 7 we have 4 and a 3. Yes, 4 and a 3 are missing. Okay. Alright. 4 and 3. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Yeah. 4 and 3, 1 and a 5 are missing. 1, 5. The 9 should be here. Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and a 5 in this column, 1 and a 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 1 box left in this column, middle column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Now we have a 5 there, so this can be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. This should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this can be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this row. For the numbers 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 5, 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and the 4. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 4. Then 2 boxes left in the second column. The 2 and the 7 are missing. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 4 and 2. 4 and 2. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, quicker than the previous Sudoku, but I have solved it. And I'm very pleased with the time, because for a really 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. So I'm very pleased, and I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. A tectonic and a binary are left. See you later. Bye bye for now.